In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your PayPal link on Twitter. If you want it to make it easier for people to send you money, donations, or payments, sharing your PayPal link on Twitter is a quick and simple option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that link inside PayPal and how to start the sharing process directly from your account. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your main account page. Once you're there, look for the Send and Request option. This section is where PayPal groups together tools for sending money, requesting payments, and managing the ways other people can pay you. Click on Send and Request to continue. After that, you'll be taken to the Transfer or Contacts area. On this page, find and click Show All Contacts. This opens the broader contact and payment sharing section where PayPal gives you more options beyond just recent activity. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since layout differences can happen depending on your device or account view. Once you're inside the contacts area, navigate to the part labeled Share Your Link to get paid. This is the key section you'll need because it contains the personal PayPal link that others can use to pay you. This feature is especially useful if you want a fast, professional way to receive money without manually sending your details to each person. When you find this area, make sure you're selecting the option related to sharing your payment link. From there, choose Twitter as your sharing destination. Clicking Twitter should open the platform's sharing flow, allowing you to post your PayPal link in a tweet. Before you publish anything, it's a good idea to quickly review the message that appears. You may want to keep your post short and clear so your audience understands what the link is for. And that's it. Once you complete the Twitter share option, your PayPal link is ready to be posted for your followers to see. Just remember to think carefully about privacy before sharing any payment link publicly, since anyone who sees the post may be able to use that link to send you money. If the Twitter option doesn't open right away, try refreshing the page or checking whether your browser is blocking pop-ups. With those small issues out of the way, the process is usually very smooth. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to share your PayPal link on Twitter.